But first, the severe flooding here in the Northeast as more rain continues to fall today. NBC's Michelle Kaczynski, I guess she's in the canoe, is in Wayne, New Jersey this morning.
Hey,
Michelle, good morning to you.
Good morning. Well, obviously we're getting a nice break from the rain, but not the flooding. This is essentially now a part of the Passaic River in this neighborhood. It rushed in yesterday through the streets, and it's really tough to control a canoe or a boat when you're out in it. It's much deeper back there because this is really...
Actually, Michelle, I'll take it. Is there some kind of severe drop-off there between the foreground? You'll go back. We saw these guys a second ago, Michelle, walking. Are these holy men walking on top of water? What's going on here?
Why walk when you can ride, you guys? When you have a ride like this, why would you want to walk?
Have you run ashore yet?
Well, they wouldn't let me go back into the deep water because they were afraid I would just drift away.
Strange piece of video there, Michelle.
Is your oar hitting ground, Michelle?
Of course not.
Okay.
All right,
It's
Michelle.
as smooth as silk.
Michelle, thank you very much. That's Michelle Kaczynski in New Jersey for us this morning.
The best laid plans of mice and men. Anyway, Al Roker is here.